Are your investments at risk now that Donald Trump has been re-elected? The financial landscape is about to shift in ways you might not expect, and your portfolio could be directly affected. Stay tuned as we uncover the mind-blowing ways Trump's re-election impacts your investments. Welcome back to the Money Mentor Hub. I am Steven, and with over 10 years of experience in investment banking across Europe's major cities and serving as a key finance executive for Fortune 500 companies, I am uniquely positioned to guide you through these uncertain times. Today, we will explore how a second Trump term could and will influence the stock market and the economy, and what that means for your investments. In this video, we will dive deep into the potential impacts of Trump's re-election on your portfolio. From trade wars to tax policies, we will examine the key factors that could affect your wealth and discuss strategies to help you thrive in these uncertain times. Make sure to watch until the end, because I will reveal a surprising insight that could change your investment approach entirely. One primary area of concern is the possibility of renewed trade wars. Trump's approach to renegotiating trade agreements and imposing tariffs could lead to increased costs for companies relying on global supply chains. This could affect profit margins and, in turn, stock prices, particularly in sectors heavily dependent on international trade. But here is where it gets interesting. Coming up, I will share an unexpected sector that could benefit significantly from these policies. Keep watching to discover where potential opportunities may lie. The technology sector, a major driver of market growth in recent years, might face challenges due to these trade policies. Tech companies often depend on international partnerships and supply chains, making them vulnerable to disruptions. Additionally, increased scrutiny over data privacy and antitrust regulations could add to the sector's uncertainty. Environmental and energy policies are also in the spotlight. With continued support for traditional energy sources and potential rollbacks of environmental regulations, certain energy sectors might experience growth, while renewable energy industries could face headwinds. This shift could have significant implications for investors focused on sustainability and long-term environmental trends. Investor sentiment is another critical factor. Market volatility can be influenced by presidential communications and policy announcements. Unpredictable statements or policy shifts can lead to uncertainty, affecting investment decisions and market stability. But do not let this volatility unsettle you. In fact, I will reveal a strategy shortly that can help you navigate these fluctuations and even turn them to your advantage. Fiscal policy under a second Trump term could also impact the markets. Potential tax reforms and changes in government spending might affect different sectors in various ways. For instance, continued tax cuts could boost corporate profits, but may also lead to increased national debt and higher interest rates. These factors could influence everything from stock valuations to bond yields. So, what can you do to protect and grow your portfolio during this time? Diversification is key. By spreading your investments across various sectors and asset classes, you can mitigate risks associated with specific industries or policy changes. Stay informed about policy developments and consider how different scenarios might impact your investments. Now, as promised, here is that surprising insight. Infrastructure projects may receive increased funding during Trump's second term. This could open up opportunities in construction, engineering, and related industries. Investing in these areas might provide a hedge against volatility in other sectors affected by trade policies or regulatory changes. Understanding these dynamics allows you to position your portfolio strategically, capitalizing on potential gains while safeguarding against risks. It's all about being proactive and adaptable in response to the evolving economic landscape. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support enables us to continue providing valuable insights to help you achieve financial freedom. I would love to hear your thoughts. How do you think Trump's re-election will impact your investments? Share your opinions in the comments below. Before you go, make sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. It offers more strategies on investing during times of political change. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. See you in the next one.